Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review Great Values butter flavored microwave popcorn. I got this uh, with Walmart, of course, and a big bag of 12 was $2.98, which I didn't think was too bad. It says 100% whole grain popcorn, no artificial preservatives or flavors. And I went ahead and popped it. It popped weird though. It didn't pop because some of you pop, pop, pop. It was like pop, 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 pop. You know, it popped weird though. Look at the one of the bags. Open it up. So good. Okay. Very squeaky. Hmm. Not too bad. Oh, they had extra butter, but I just saw butter flavor. I should have gotten extra butter. I didn't see it. Or maybe they didn't have extra butter. I can't remember. I'm pretty decent. Some pieces have butter and some pieces don't, but that plate's pretty decent and fresh. No, not bad. I give it a 7.75 out of 10. Not quite an 8, but decent flavor. I tell you what, I remember the Surefine popcorn. The extra butter popcorn they had is really good. I think it had a fresher taste than this. If you're lucky, you can get a bag on sale because usually it's like a box of 3 of them for $2. A little pricey compared to this, but for the deal, this is a great value. Like it says, I'd probably go with this. Well, if you can, sometimes the Surefine is like $1.50 on sale for $1.50. Those are really good, and this is pretty good too. So I hope you like this little microwave popcorn review. And until next time, bye, please. Take care, Malik. It didn't burn the middle, did it? No. Oh, it got close to doing it.